Welcome, friends. Today I'm going to share some insider information about the periodic table. How to memorize all the 118 elements. I will tell you some of the concepts by which you'll be able to memorize, or you can start memorizing or you'll be able to make your stories around your periodic table, and you'll be able to memorize that periodic table. Okay. So let me share my screen first. So here is your periodic table. It looks like this: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, and so on. Aluminum, silicon, and so on. And up to 180 elements. So what is one concept by which you will be able to memorize the whole periodic table? So the concept is you have to use different uses of element, or in which food product that particular element is, or that particular food product is rich in these elements, or some keywords around that. So let's see with some real examples. Wait, I'll show you some real examples how to make your stories around that. Like the very first element we all know is hydrogen. So what we'll do, we'll start with hydrogen, that how you can make a keyword or some use of hydrogen. So we all know H2O. H2O or water as hydrogen and oxygen. So let's take a water bottle. A water bottle will have water, and that could be a clue for the hydrogen. Coming to the second element, helium. Let's take its uses, where it can be used. Can you see? It's used in making fiber optics, semiconductors, arc welding, and let's see where helium gas is used. The helium gas is used in balloons. You all can see it's used in balloons. Similarly, lithium. Uses in everyday life, where it can be used rechargeable batteries for mobile phones, laptops, digital cameras, and electric vehicles. Coming to components of, means what can you make from carbon? Carbon used in daily life. So it's 18% part of our human body. It's used in jewelry. Okay. What kind of jewelry? Diamond. We all know. Diamond has carbon. How many carbon atoms you all know? So a diamond has 4 carbon atoms. So we'll not go into detail how many atoms, but then here our association is diamond is made up of carbon. Okay. Similarly, fluorine. Uses where nuclear material, nuclear power plants, but then fluoride is used in toothpaste. Okay, so these are some of the uses which you can take out from that. These are the places where it has been used. So now coming to how to make your story around. Let's make a story. Coming to a story, the very first thing is, wait, I'll start with the text. So the very first thing, hydrogen, and we have taken our keyword as water bottle. Second, helium. Our keyword is balloon, or uses is balloon or gas. Helium gas used in balloon. Third, lithium. Batteries. Fourth, very late. So I'm not going into use of it. Where I'm going, I'm taking its keyword, barrel. You all know barrel, that round shaped drum. Okay. Then boron. Here also I'm taking a keyword as gold. 6. We all know carbon. So I've told you diamond is made up of carbon. Then next is nitrogen. Here also I am taking a keyword, nice. Keyword is similar sound. It is almost similar to that, so that just by saying that keyword, you will be able to recall something related to that. Now we are referring to periodic table, so we have the idea that we are doing it for the periodic table. Similarly, oxygen. It could be oxys or ox. Let's take oxys. Coming to the next one is fluorine. I've told you using toothpaste, right? And the 10th and the final one of the first 10 elements is neon. Neon is used in cyanide. Okay. So what you can do, you can take all these keywords and make a story. How you can make a story? I'll tell you that also. So you have to take two keywords together. Like water bottle, you have to connect with balloon. Then balloon you have to connect with batteries. Then batteries you have to connect with barrel. Then barrel connect with gold. Similarly, gold to diamond. And diamond to knights. Knights to oxys. Oxys to toothpaste. Those toothpaste to the cyanide. Okay. So now you have to make a story around this. So how you will make a story? Like you can think of that there's a water bottle which is tied to a balloon. Balloon goes up in the sky, burst open. Okay? That balloon burst open with heavy air or anything you can think of. Okay? Or there is something kept inside that balloon and burst open. And the balloon is filled with batteries. So batteries started falling on the ground. So where does it fall? It falls all on a barrel. So when something will fall on barrel, what will happen to the barrel? The barrel will break. Okay, so the barrel broke open. So once that barrel broke open, it become a board. It could be a blackboard, it could be a surfboard, anything. So it has become a board. So on that board, there is a diamond, small diamond or big diamond, anything. So there's a diamond. There's a diamond like that. It could have come from the barrel itself, somewhere hidden in the barrel itself. Okay, so it's on the board now. So to that diamond is a precious metal. So somebody had seen it. Who had seen it? Knights. So knights had seen that diamond. So they started fighting. So what happened? Then they come to an agreement that there's no point in fighting for diamond because nobody is going to get it. You also have something to kill. I have also something to kill. We can kill each other and we're not going to get out of it. Okay. So why not to distribute or share it? So what they do, they pick that diamond and started to the market. They started going to a market. So once they reach to the market, but then there's a funny thing, a strange thing happened to them. What is that strange thing or something which is they have not expected is two oxes are standing on the main gate of that. Two oxes are standing on the main gate of that market, and those oxes are stopping them. Don't go into this market. Will not let you inside the market. So what they do. So oxes want some favor. So their teeth are not clean. So they want them to clean their teeth. So how they're going to clean their teeth? So they had a toothpaste or they took it from somewhere and they started cleaning their teeth. So once their teeth become clean, started brightening, cleaning or shining. So they can see the main gate of that market and they enter the market. So once they enter the market, there's a big signboard. In that market, there's a big signboard, welcome. When you go to some place, they welcome you, so that there's a big signboard of a welcome. So you get into that market and, or the knights get into that market and they execute their plan. So this way, water bottle, balloon, batteries, barrel, board, diamond, knights, oxys, toothpaste, and signboard will give you your complete story. And this one story will give you hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, and neon. Okay. So this is your first 10 elements. This way you can learn your first 10 elements. Isn't it? It's very simple, right? This way you can make stories and you can learn first 10 elements: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, and neon. Okay. So for the next 10 elements, I'll come up with some other story and I'll bring that in the next video. So stay tuned for the next video, and till then, keep learning and keep growing. Yeah, one more thing. Don't stop practicing with these concepts. You can definitely will be able to make your stories, your concepts, and you'll be able to learn all the, or you'll be able to memorize or remember all the 118 elements of the periodic table by making small stories around. Okay, so go for it, make your stories and become unforgettable. And finally, as I say, keep learning and keep growing.